Welcome to my channel Luxury Car001, and today we are diving into one of the most impressive luxury MPVs to hit the market, the 2025 Zeekr009. This vehicle is already making waves as one of the best 7-seater options for families and business class travel, combining futuristic design, high-end comfort, and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for a ride that blends premium luxury with electric innovation, the Zeekr009 deserves your full attention. From the very first glance, the Zeekr009 stands out with a bold and futuristic design. The front fascia is dominated by a massive illuminated grille that instantly communicates power and modernity. The LED lighting signatures are sharp and futuristic, giving it a presence unlike any other MPV on the road. The sleek body lines, flush door handles, and aerodynamic design add to its premium appeal. With a length of over 5.2 meters, the Zeekr009 is not just a carrot, it's a statement. This large size ensures ample interior space, making it perfect for large families or executives who prioritize comfort and style. Moving inside, the 2025 Zeekr009 truly redefines what luxury in a 7-seater should be. The cabin feels more like a high-end lounge than a vehicle. The use of soft-touch premium materials, large glass surfaces, and ambient lighting create a serene and upscale environment. One of the highlights is the seating arrangement. The first two rows feature captain chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, while the third row provides generous legroom that's rare in MPVs. This means all passengers, regardless of where they sit, experience first-class comfort. Technology plays a central role in the Zeekr009 experience. The massive central infotainment screen, paired with a digital driver display, ensures that both driver and passengers stay connected and entertained. The system supports the latest connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a host of apps designed specifically for in-car use. Passengers can enjoy a cinematic experience with the premium surround sound audio system, perfect for long journeys. The inclusion of rear seat entertainment screens makes it an ideal vehicle for families with kids, ensuring everyone has something to enjoy during the ride. Safety is another area where the Zeekr009 shines. The vehicle comes packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. With Zeekr being part of the Geely family, it benefits from years of research and development in safety technology. The structural integrity of the vehicle, combined with intelligent safety features, makes it one of the safest MPVs available. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Zeekr009 is an all-electric vehicle, and it doesn't disappoint when it comes to power. Equipped with dual motors and all-wheel drive, it delivers over 500 horsepower, which is remarkable for a vehicle of this size. Acceleration is surprisingly quick, going from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 5 seconds. For an MPV, this kind of performance is groundbreaking. The driving experience is smooth, quiet, and refined, thanks to the silent electric powertrain and advanced suspension system. Range anxiety is not an issue here. The Zeekr009 offers a large battery pack with an estimated range of up to 700 kilometers on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. Fast charging technology allows it to gain significant range in just minutes, making it practical for both city use and long-distance travel. This makes it not only luxurious but also convenient and sustainable for daily life. Practicality is at the heart of any 7-seater, and the Zeekr009 excels here as well. With multiple seating configurations, a flat floor design, and a huge cargo area, it can adapt to almost any lifestyle. Whether you're planning a family road trip, attending a business event, or simply running daily errands, the Zeekr009 provides the flexibility you need. In conclusion, the 2025 Zeekr009 is more than just a luxury electric, but it's a complete reimagining of what a 7-seater should be. It offers breathtaking design, unmatched comfort, advanced technology, powerful electric performance, and practicality all in one package. If you're in the market for a luxury family vehicle or a premium executive transporter, the Zeekr009 deserves to be at the very top of your list. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Luxury Car001 for more updates on the latest and greatest in the world of luxury automobiles.